how to change tire pressure units to PSI or bar on MG MS6. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here you need to find and select the settings. So as you can see, you can do this just by swiping to the left. Now let's tap the settings icon. From the list of settings, it's important to be in the first section, which is the general, and then you need to scroll down. And as you can see here, you can find the tire pressure units. So this option changes how your tire air pressure monitor system display numbers. You can choose between bar, kilopascal or PSI, depending on the numbers you are most comfortable reading when you're checking your tires air. So in my case, let me use kilopascals and let me leave it like that. Alright, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave thumbs up.